Hello students, in today's video we will discuss about different type of relations. So there are different type of relations. The first one is empty relation. So we know that the null set is denoted by this symbol. Null set is always a subset of any set. So suppose A be a non-null set, then null set is a subset of A cross A. Therefore, we can tell that null set is a relation on A. So, null set, this is called an empty relation. Then we have universal relation. We know that if A is a set, then A is always subset of the set A. So, if A is a non-null set, then A cross A is always a subset of A cross A. So, we tell A cross A is universal relation on A. Now we will study about identity relation. Identity relation. A relation R that is defined as XX such that X belongs to A. Suppose A is a non-null set, then R that is defined like that, the ordered pair XX such that X belongs to A. This is actually for all X belongs to A. So this relation R is called identity relation. Let's take an example. Suppose A is equals to 1, 2, 3. Then if we define R as 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3, then this relation is called an identity relation. Now suppose we define R1 as 1, 1 and 3, 3. This is not an identity relation, because in order to be an identity relation, for all A belongs to A, AA must belongs to R. 2, 2 doesn't belongs to R1. That's why this relation is not an identity relation. Now consider the example R2, that is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 1, 2. Suppose this is a relation R2. This is also not an identity relation. Why? Because this 1, 2 term is here. 1, 2 belongs to R2. But in order to be an identity relation, only the terms of the form AA can belongs to the relation. So this R2 is also not an identity relation. Now let's talk about inverse relation. Suppose A be a non-null set and B be a non-null set and R be a relation from A to B. Then R inverse is defined, inverse of R, inverse relation of R is denoted as R inverse and it is defined as R inverse equal to Yx such that Xy belongs to R. So let's take an example to understand this. Suppose A is equals to A, B, C and B is equals to 1, 2, 3. Now let R be a relation, that is A2, B1 and C3. Suppose this is relation R. Then what will be R inverse? R inverse will be 2A, 1B and 3C. Because from the definition you see that if xy belongs to R, then yx belongs to R inverse. So here A2 belongs to R, so 2A should belongs to R inverse. B1 belongs to R, that's why 1B will belong to R inverse, and C3 belongs to R, that's why 3C will belong to R inverse. So it's all for this video. In the next video we will discuss about the very important relations, reflexive, symmetric and transitive relations, and we will define what is an equivalence relation. Thanks for watching.